This is a simple and fast review of the SDEOC 360-degree heavy base rotating whiskey glasses. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we open this up, I'm just going to show you kind of how this thing works. May need to clean it up a little bit, just getting those pieces out. Anyway, so the concept is simple. This is going to be a rotating base. Clicks right in and then spins, right? Real simple, allowing you to spin. So we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like, test it out a little bit. Real simple concept, spinny. So let's get it in action. So the idea, if you're not familiar, is when you have a spinning kind of glass here, and I'm not going to put too much in just because I'm not going to drink a lot here. The idea is that you can keep the, if this was full, or fuller, I should say, you'll keep the ice cube from melting as quickly if you're constantly spinning the liquid. It also aerates the whiskey or whatever you're drinking a little bit better as you spin this. And so that's the concept, is that it's really meant for when you have a big cube like this that's going into your drink. And obviously I would have a lot more. I'm not going to show your 2 fingers or whatever that you'd be using. And you're just going to spin this thing as a nice coaster. You can obviously just put it right down on the table, but this gives you a really nice option for spinning the whiskey around, or whatever your beverage of choice is. It's really great. So if you know, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.